bumili na kami ng bait. Happy is showing his milk.
Done.
Yeah. Mag-fishing na kami, guys. So, let's go.
Mom, look.
What are you doing? You're basa na. So, 18 minutes away pa kami sa Woodman Point. Doon kami mag-fishing. Sana may makuhang isda para may makain pang dinner. Yun lang. So, andito na kami ngayon, guys, sa Woodman Point. Yan yung mga dala namin. Busog naman kami. So, ready na kami for fishing. Go, Javi, go! Hey, wear your cap. So, nag-change outfit na ako. Dalawang jacket, isang t-shirt. Ayan. Tapos may bago tayong bag. Let's go.
Mama said that way, Mom. Don't go wrong. Don't go that way, Mom. Don't do it. Get not yet.
Okay.
Is it almost done?
Yeah.
I said 2 more, and I said something more.
Yeah.
I just say one. I say one.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I can jump.
Yeah. Yeah. Good job. So, dun kami sa jetty, guys, dito sa Woodman Point. Sobrang daming tao ngayon kasi holiday bukas. So, let's go. Naka-puff jacket siya, guys. So, it's 11:30 na, guys, ng madaling araw. Andito kami sa Macas. Kakain ng dinner. Kakatapos na namin mag-fishing. At least meron kaming nahuli na fish. Ang saya lang. Tapos, kain kami dito sa Macas. Yan, yung tatlong sasakyan magkakasunod. Take away na lang daw kami. Kasi antok na. Tulog na si Margo.
Chicken and fries? Okay.
Hindi na mag-count.
Dirty place. I don't like it here. It's so dirty.
It's so dirty. So, order kami dito sa likod. Take away lang.
Habibi. Ang laki mo na, Habibi. Ako. Transform ka na. Para makakuha ka na.
Let's go.
Well, when I take something and I saw map. And first you need to open that, and next you need to put the head up, and the one you need to put the hand out.
Yeah.
Hi guys. So, it's Monday, March 2. Holiday ngayon. So, ito lang yung outfit na natin. Punta tayong MCQ and punta tayo sa bahay ng friend namin. Kakainin namin yung isda na niluto namin kagabi. Na nahuli namin kagabi from fishing. So, andyan si Javi. May mga tupiin pa tayo dyan. Mamaya na yan. And, pagkatapos namin mag-grocery, punta kami sa bahay para magluto ng isda. Tinola, tsaka ano. Yun. And, yan lang yung outfit natin. See ya.
Madam.
Thank you, Dad.
Wow.
Hi guys, so it's March 3. Nasa school na si Javi. It's Tuesday ngayon. Kahapon is holiday. So wala kaming ganap kahapon. And pupunta ako ngayon sa GP or sa doctor, general practitioner, para magpareseta ng gamot until sana September. Yun. Tapos by 2 PM susundin ko si Javi. Yun lang yung ganap ko. Nag-exercise na ako kanina, nag-floating, dumbbells, tsaka ab workout. And wala pa akong kain. Naglo-low carb intermittent fasting ako. Mukhang effective naman kasi 55 kilograms na lang yung weight ko ngayon. Yun. So, let's go! Hi guys! So, andito na ako ngayon sa school ni Javi. It's 2:32 at maya-maya 2:40 out na nila. 2:45 yung labas nila. So, umiinom lang ako ng smoothie dito. Ito pa yung first meal ko today kasi naglo-low carb intermittent fasting ako. Kasi lumaki talaga ako ng sobra. Tapos yung medicine pa is nagpapalaki din. And I savor this moment kasi next week or the week after next is magsa-start na yung school. Magsa-start na akong mag-work ulit. So, it's my time to savor this moment, guys. And it's either March 9 or it depends kung ma-set up na yung system. But magsa-start na ako mag-work ulit. So, si Javi is ida-drop off na namin sa OSH or yung tinatawag nilang before and after school care. And mas maaga na kaming gigising. Tapos si dad na lang yung susundo sa kanya. Yun yung plan namin. But let's see what happens. Yun. Kasi maganda din naman yung before and after school care kasi within the area sa school mismo yung facility. So hindi na lalabas yung mga bata sa school. Doon na lang talaga sila sa loob ng school. Tapos hahatid tsaka susunduin din ng daycare teacher or educator yung tawag dito. And yun lang. At least na-savor ko din yung moment for 1 month na hatid sundo ko si Javi. Very timely talaga yung new work ko. Very timely siya para ma-feel ko din na maghatid sundo sa bata at school. Yun. And yun lang guys, konting kwento lang sa update ng buhay ko. And a reminder din, pagbabalikan ko yung vlog na to, it's a reminder na nagkasakit ako and nagme-medication, nagte-therapy, and back to work na ulit. And sana wag nang magkasakit ulit. So sana tuloy-tuloy na yung buhay and relax na yung brain cells. Yun lang. Kung itatanong nyo kung ano yung sakit ko, it's mental health issue. And hindi ko na sasabihin yung pinaka sakit ko talaga, but it's connected to mental health. Yun. So laban lang, tuloy ang buhay. Yan lang guys. 2, 3. So nakauwi na kami guys. And ito yung bag ni Javi. Yan. Tapos nilagay niya na din yung shoes niya dun sa lagayan ng shoes. Hi Javi.
Hi. See you on the set. Give me your phone.
Relax na and magtutupi pa ako ng mga damit dun sa likod. Yun lang. See you later.
On the floor is 40, 40, 10 fours, a 40. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. We know how to tell it straight. 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36, and when all the 4s are in the mix, 10 4s are 40, 4 and a 4, and 1 more 4 and 1 more 4.
Noise.
So, laro kami ng snake and ladder dito.
Mom, can I start again?
Okay, let's start again.
Oh my goodness. Oh.